Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Susana and today we are customizing a funeral invitation card. But first let me go ahead and mention a few little things you can't do on this template. You cannot change the size and orientation of the template, and you cannot change the color of the artwork. Let me point out the artwork for you. Here the only thing you can't change would be the roses and the gold line here and below the picture itself. Everything else can be changed. You can change the color of the background. You can change these lines right here. They're grouped, the gold line and the black line. So if you want to change the black line, you want to go to the top and click ungroup. You want to zoom in, click on that black line and go to the top left and select your color choice. I'm going to leave it the way it is. So it's grouped. This section right here is grouped. If you want to ungroup it, you go to the top right and click ungroup. That is going to allow you to select each item on its own. So here you can change the size of the font type, the color, and that would go for all the text within this template. This section as well is all grouped. If you want to ungroup it, just go to the top and click ungroup, and that is going to allow you to select each portion. You can change the color of the cross, make it bigger or smaller, and we want to go, what we want to do here is replace the current picture with our own. You have the Spanish template below. If you have any questions on this template, please let me know. Thank you for watching this video, and you guys have a fabulous day.